Assalamualaikum and hi teachers! How are you? In this video, I will be explaining on how we as teachers can apply the second classroom assessment technique, which is think, pair, and share using Genially features. First thing first, let's refresh your knowledge about think, pair, share. Basically, think, pair, share is a technique in which students are given a task or a question, then they will brainstorm, get some ideas about the question, and then the teacher will divide them into pairs and let them brainstorm and share their very ideas with each other. Now, the question is how think, pair, share can be applied or implemented using Genially. Without further ado, let's start.
The feature that I am going to use here is interactive image. After you have done logging in your Genially, search for interactive image and click on it. As you can see here, there are many templates that you can customize and use. For example here, I click on the office to interactive image and a picture appears. Okay, I will make it bigger for you to see. Alright, if I click on this grey bottle, a notification will appear and I close it. When I click on these flowers, a GIF or sticker will appear. I click on the smartphone there, an eye will appear, and when I click on the eye, it is linked to a YouTube video. Click on create interactive image, and there I have a picture which I have uploaded. Click on the picture and click accept. So here you are required to crop the image that you have chosen. Okay, this one I click on resources and all the shapes, the bars and the pies will appear. Make it easier for you to edit anything that requires shapes. Random images here. Click on insert. You can upload anything that you want from your local device or from the internet. You can even record your own voice here and put any educational videos from YouTube by pasting the URL link of the videos here. In the interactive elements section, you can click show more and there are lots of buttons available that you can choose. So here, you have some interactive questions in which you can embed in your interactive image.
So that's the end of this video. If you guys get some new knowledge, don't forget to hit the like button. And that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.